Yesterday we came from Belgrade by walking here. When we arrived here, and I went to the ship camp. When I went to the ship camp in morning, we said to the all guys, you must be come with. We are to go to the Croatian border for a demonstration, to make a demonstration. Therefore, to open the border for us.
Hello, please, sir. Very cold, but very snow. Please open the border. But all people, please, your special request, open the border. Okay.
Want to say something? Just a few words.
ما ادري برشمني يا